Hi everyone. Through this class, we are going to study about the different ways of storage of intermittently generated renewable energy. Storage of energy is essential for the present as well as future due to unavailability of renewable energy continuously. Hence, electricity and other types of energy cannot be generated according to the demand. So, the energy produced by such sources has to be stored for the use at a later time. According to the form in which the energy is stored, methods of energy storage is classified into mechanical, thermal, electrical, chemical, and biological storage systems. There are different mechanical energy storage systems. First type, it is pumped hydroelectric storage. Here, the excess hydroelectric power produced is used to pump water from other water sources like lake, river, etc. to the reservoir at a higher level. And this can be used later to produce electricity. And the efficiency in this case is very large, of the order of 70 to 85%. Large storage capacity is the main advantage of this pumped hydroelectric storage system. The second type is compressed air. Here, excess electric power produced can be used to compress and store air in large containers or underground salt domes, which is later allowed to flow back through an air turbine to produce electricity. Here, the efficiency is about 75%. Poor performance is the main disadvantage of this compressed air. Third one is flywheel. Here, excess electric power produced is used to rotate an electric motor where it is converted into kinetic energy of the flywheel, which is later used to produce electricity. They spin at high speeds. Example, a carbon nanotube flywheel of mass 1.2 kg and radius 40 cm spinning at 1 lakh revolutions per minute can deliver 1 kilowatt power for nearly 1.5 hours. Next type of storage is thermal storage. A salt compound is melted using sunlight and stored under high pressure in an insulated tank. This is then used for direct heating purposes or to produce electricity. Salt used is inexpensive, non-toxic, and non-flammable, and stays as liquid at a high temperature without high pressure. A power plant at Spain uses this facility that runs 50 megawatt electricity for 8 hours. Next type of storage is electrical storage. Storage of electricity in a battery is the most common method. There are different types of batteries. First one, lead acid batteries. It is the oldest rechargeable battery. It is invented in 1859. Second type is lithium ion batteries. Currently, it is used in electrical vehicles and in many electronic devices. High energy density, about 3 times more than lead acid. Slow loss of charge when not in use. Long lifetime. High efficiency per cycle, etc. are the main advantages of the lithium ion batteries. And other types of batteries are nickel cadmium, nickel metal hydride, nickel zinc, etc. By adopting this method, battery powered electric cars can replace fuel cars in very near future. Next type of storage is chemical storage. There are number of chemical storages. Excess electric power produced can be used to produce hydrogen, which can be stored and used for energy production. Excess electric power produced can be used to produce ammonia, which can be dissociated at a reasonable temperature and later used for heat energy production. Reversible chemical reaction takes place at high temperature can be used to store excess heat produced from renewable energy sources. When necessary, These reactions are reversed to release the excess energy stored as heat. The last type of storage is biological storage. Energy plantation is an example of storage of solar energy as biomass. This is directly stored. This biomass is later used to produce various forms of energy like biogas. It is the cheapest and durable form of energy storage. One demerit is that it needs a large area of land for growing crops.